In this video we will learn some basic commands of the AutoREG component. First, we set the points of the building plot. We define the building plot through its sides. We can modify the height of the building plot text as well as the type of fonts. We can also draw the diagonals of the plot. We can edit the diagonals through the property panel. We can create the label containing the building parameters text of the topographical drawing. This command calculates automatically a plot area using rectangular coordinates and displays results in the plan. We can create and import the building grid by defining the horizontal and vertical distances among the lines. Then we can insert the grid at the desired position.